Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, Pisces placements. Okay, so this is your love reading ngayong October. Okay, singles and syempre the current. Okay, the person on your mind. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and syempre, yes, if you're interested pagdating sa ating mga protections from evil eye, okay, just message me, ganun rin. Pagdating sa ating love bracelet kay Granter and dun sa ating new item for cleansing. Okay? Cleansing ng bahay mo, business mo, kwarto mo. Okay? So, yan po, ha? So, message na lang. Okay. So, let's start. Let's start the reading for you, Pisces placements. Unahin natin yung new person, okay? The one na interesado ka, okay? Gusto mo, yung tao. Dapat wala pang nangyayaring romantic connection, ha, with you. Okay? With that person, okay? Okay, so singles. Anong meron? Okay, let's see. How do you view this new person, Pisces? Okay, the Page of Cups. No, the Page of Swords. Some of you, nakikita mo tong taong to, natingin din sa'yo. Okay? Excuse me. Yeah. Madalas nakikita mo itong taong to, nakatingin rin sa'yo. That's so specific. Okay? The King of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah. So, simpleng-simple ang nakukuha ko rito pagdating dyan sa taong yan. Okay? Nakatingin siya sa'yo, madalas, walang ginagawa. Okay? Walang ginagawa itong taong to. Like, okay, nagkakatingin lang kayo. Okay? Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Walang gawa. Walang action coming from this person. Okay? Some of them may chance ng sabihin nating, I don't know, ha? Some of them, they are younger. They are younger. Naiinis yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa kanya kasi ang nakukuha ko, may narinig ako, ang tamad naman itong taong to, walang ginagawang action pagdating sa akin. Okay, that's specific. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero yes, may narinig akong ganon. Ha? Okay, pwedeng air sign, pwedeng earth sign or Capricorn. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may narinig kang something pagdating sa taong yan na pwedeng interested siya. Or may mga tinatanong siya about you. Okay? And pwedeng may ibang tao na doon mo nalalaman. Okay? Nandoon din yung pwedeng something na inad ka. FB, kung ano man yan. Okay? They're stalking you. Yeah. Big energy ng stalking. So, how do this person sees you? Okay, how do this new person views you, Pisces? Ano naman ang tingin nito sa'yo? Anong tingin nito sa'yo, Pisces? The Eight of Wands in reverse. Okay. Let's see anong meron dyan sa Eight of Wands na naka-reverse na yan. The Queen of Pentacles. Ay, you're mirroring each other. Yeah, you're mirroring each other. You have here a pair. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, ha, specific, meron kang anak, meron ding anak itong taong to. Okay? You're not communicating. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? Ang tingin ng taong to, whether babae ka man or lalaki, nandun yung sabihin nating mahinhin Okay? Hindi makabasag pinggan. Parang ganon. Tahimik. Reserved. Okay? Reserved. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Meron ako naririnig na isa pang word pero napakalabo. Ang labo nung naririnig ko, hindi ko masabi. Okay. So, yeah. The Eight of Wands in reverse. This is talking about block. Okay, so maybe there's blocked. Okay. Some of you, hindi ka pa nakaka-respond dito sa taong to. Alam mo, specific to. Alam mong inad ka niya, pero hindi mo nire-replyan or hindi mo nire-respond or hindi mo kina-confirm yung ang tawag dyan? Yung pag-a-add niya sa'yo as friend. Okay? Dyan sa kung anong online keme na meron kayo. Anyway, let's see. What is their emotions? This new person, what is their emotions for you? The Knight of Pentacles. Why is that? The Moon in reverse. Some of them, they want na maging open sa'yo. Pero, parang dumidepende sa'yo itong taong to. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Dumidepende ito sa'yo. Yung action niya, dumidepende sa kung anong action mo sa kanya. Okay? Kung ang nakukuha nito from you is wala, so wala rin. Okay? Gusto nila na maging open sa'yo, actually. Yeah. Ano bang hadlang dito talaga? Tingnan natin. Anong hadlang dito talaga? Some of you, your kids, children, kung may mga anak kayo. Okay? Anong hadlang dito? Tingnan natin. Kasi meron eh. Anong hadlang? The Nine of Pentacles. Responsibilities. Okay? Responsibilities. Some of you, you're a single parent. Okay? Yeah, hati ka oh. The Two of Wands. Responsibility. So maybe you like this person. Okay? So being in the energy ng Nine of Pentacles, that's someone who is so busy, focus sa kanyang career, sa kanyang finances if ever. Okay? Somebody is too intimidating. Yun din yung isang blockage dito. Okay? Anyway, so let's see. What is their next action towards you, Pisces? Oops! Okay, this is too many. Oo, balik natin. Okay, so anong next action niya towards you, Pisces? Next action ng taong to. Ng new person. Next action ng new person pagdating sa'yo, Pisces. Tingnan natin. New action. Next action ng new person. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Guard down. The Ten of Swords. Actually, ang nakikita ko rito, unti-unti itong gumagawa ng action. Unti-unti, pero hindi mo pinapansin. I don't know how. Okay, yeah. Unti-unting nawawala ng pag-asa to sa'yo, Pisces. Unti-unting nawawala ng pag-asa sa'yo to. Itong taong to. The Nine of Wands in reverse, nandun na yung pagod. I don't know why. The Ten of Swords in reverse. Paulit-ulit to. Parang walang nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, death. See? Hindi malayong itigil ng taong to ang ginagawa niya. Okay, may mga hints. Yeah, small hints, small signs na ipinapakita sa'yo itong taong to. Pero yes, still, nire-reject mo maybe or binablock mo or talagang hindi mo lang pinapansin. Yun lang yung alam niya na way para makakonect sa'yo. Pero yeah, malapit na tong gumive up. Pisces. Ha? Okay? So, hindi nito ipipilit yung sarili niya sa'yo, sa totoo lang. Okay? They find you, sabihin nating, their counterpart. No? May mga ganon na energy. They find you as someone na talagang pwedeng sabihin wife material, husband material, mga ganyan, long-term partner. Pero, kung hindi nila nakikita na open ka for them, then, hindi nila kasayahin yung oras nila dito. Okay? Hindi gagawa to ng big actions, ng big moves pagdating sa'yo. It's like enough na tong mga pinapakita kong ganito sa kanya. I don't need na gumawa ako ng malaking hakbang for this person. Okay? Like, yeah, as simple as inad ka niya, pero still, some of you binlock mo itong taong to. Okay? Pero I don't know, bakit mo gusto itong taong to? Some of you, kung hindi mo binlock to, hindi mo lang alam na inad ka. Or maybe, there's this messages na hindi mo pa nababasa. Nasa message request, spam. Okay? Please check your inbox, Pisces. Okay? Check your inbox. Some of you, yeah, you like this person, you're waiting for them na gumawa ng action, pero hindi mo tinitingnan. Oo, hindi ka nagwo-wonder kung ano ba yung sabihin nating way na pwede niyang gawin. Baka sakali, nagme-message siya sa'yo, like, yeah. Okay? I don't know. Anyway, so nandun na yung papunta na siya sa pasuko. Okay. Tingin ng taong to, hindi ka kabastos-bastos, ha? Mapababae, mapalalaki. Tingin nitong taong to, kagalang-galang ka. Okay? Yun ang tingin nitong taong to, sa totoo lang. Yun ang isang mensahe na hindi ko masabi kanina, pero, yeah, yun yung nakuha ko. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Pisces? Dito sa new person na to. Advice. The Three of Chalices. Kung pwede kayo mag-start as friends, do it. Okay, do it. Start as friends. Okay? Kung meron kayong circle of friends, magpansin na naman kayo. Okay? Magpansin na naman kayo. Diba? Yeah, the Judgment. Alisin ang blockage. Okay, there's blockage kasi. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Alam nyo, may potential to na maging kayo. Yeah. There's this door of the opportunity. Oo, it's like bukas yung pinto. Nandito siya, nandito ka. Kulang na lang kawayan mo siya at kawayan ka niya. Makita mo kinakawayan ka niya, pero yun nga lang, hindi ka pumapaling, hindi mo tinitingnan. Maybe the energy is reversed. Okay? Pwedeng sa'yo nangyayari to. Hindi ka napapansin itong taong gusto mo. Okay? May chance na magkakaroon ng opportunity, na magkaroon ng connection. Okay? Some of you pwedeng gawa ng ibang tao kaya magko-connect kayo. Darating yung oras na magko-connect rin kayo. Okay? So there. Yeah, the Ace of Wands. Some of you may chance na pumunta kayo sa isang lugar. Isang lugar yung napupuntahan nyo, parang ganyan, or maybe kung trabaho kayo or magkasama kayo sa isang company, I don't know, kung department kayo, something like that. Pero nakakuha ko there's this occasion na pwedeng maging dahilan para magkaroon kayo ng connection itong taong to, like pag-uusap. Okay, so there, yeah. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa person na iniisip mo. Okay, the person on Pisces mind. Okay, anong meron? The person on your mind, Pisces. Okay, let's shuffle. Who is this? Sino tong taong iniisip mo ngayon, Pisces? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron dyan sa person na yan? Anong meron sa kanya, Pisces? Let's see, para malaman mo na siya ito. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, the Three of Pentacles universe. So, may nangyaring sabihin natin, hindi maganda sa past. Nangyari is, hindi nakipag-cooperate ng maayos ng taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Six of Chalices universe. This is a past person. A past person. Nagbigay sa'yo ng trauma. Sa totoo lang. Okay, yeah, the Justice universe. Some of you, there's legal issues here. Okay, another 3. So, maybe some of you talagang sinira ng taong to. Yung connection nyo before. Okay, yeah, ayaw natin dumating doon sa salitang third party. Pero, yes, nakakasagap rin ako ng ganyan. So, yeah. Ginawan ka ng hindi maganda nitong taong to sa past. Okay? So, this is a past person's energy, I think. Meron pa rin kayong hindi pinagkakasunduan sa ngayon ng taong to. Some of you, may utang sa'yo itong taong to, hindi ka pa rin nababayaran, mga ganyan, okay? Or may mga, tawag dyan, mga bagay na pwedeng nakapangalan sa inyong dalawa, hindi mo pa rin nakukuha, or something lang na hindi pa rin naayos, kung ano man. Okay. Situation, please. Anong meron sa situation ninyo? Okay, death. So, we have here the separation or the ending. Okay, so may ending na nangyari. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. So, I think, kung ano man ang meron sa ngayon, si universe na ang gumawa ng paraan para may end to. Okay? So, tinanggal ni universe ng taong to sa buhay mo. For the better. For the best. I think. Okay? So, sa ngayon, marami ng pangyayari na bago sa buhay mo or sa situation. Marami ng pangyayaring bago na. May mga nag-end, may mga nagsimula. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Chalices. Some of you, you're too busy. Okay? So, there's a lot of opportunities. Some of you, nung iniwanan mo or inalisan mo tong energy na to, nitong taong to, biglang naging okay yung frequency. Biglang naging, sabihin nating, nagkaroon ng uplift, no, sa energy mo or sa frequency na meron ka. Okay? So, dumating yung mga blessings like that. Naging okay ka. Mga ganyan. Okay. So, what is there? Emotions for you. Yeah. The Eight of Swords. They're stuck. So, there's no progress sa kanila. Why? Why the Eight of Swords? Yeah, the world universe. There's no progress. Okay? So, sana energy mo to. Okay? So, there's this energy na pwedeng still, hindi pa rin ito nakakausad in general. A lot of, sabihin nating stuck pa rin itong taong to. Nandun yung unfinished business, maybe. Okay? I think this is karma hitting this person in their ASS. Okay? Yeah. So, I think they're in regrets. Andun sila sa energy na parang panghihinayang rin. Okay? So, maybe they see us na medyo okay ka na without them. Okay? So, nandun yung panghihinayang niya, actually. Yeah, the Six of Chalices in reverse, that is bitterness. What is their next action? Okay, next action itong taong iniisip mo. Okay, the Star in reverse. Gusto ko ng taong to na makita na hindi ka umusad, sa totoo lang. Okay? Gusto nila na yung energy nila is mapunta rin sa'yo. Don't let them, please, don't. The Star in reverse. Yeah, the Eight of Chalices. Some of them, andyan yung panggugulo. They will try na guluhin ka para hindi ka makausad. Yeah, see, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Don't let them, please, don't welcome this energy. Okay? Don't. Okay ka na eh. Itong taong to hindi. Okay? Magiging sandbag yan pagdating sa'yo. Magiging weights yan pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, ayaw natin nun. Maganda na yung energy mo na nakikita ko rito. So, wag mo nang ibalik uli yung sarili mo sa zero. Okay? So, pinaghirapan mo rin yan, sa totoo lang. If you're trying na maging okay, so, tuloy mo lang. Okay? Pagpatuloy mo lang. Gusto nitong taong to na makita ka na hindi ka nagiging okay. Yeah. Ganon kasama. 'Di ba? Ganon kasama. Kung may mga dahilan lang itong taong to kaya siya nabalik because of the properties na meron kayo if ever, then yeah, keep an arm's distance from this person. Okay? Hanggat maaari. Yeah. So, kung anong issue, yun lang ang pagtuon ng pansin. Kung anong mga kailangang ayusin, sa legal na paraan, yun lang muna siguro. Okay? Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi mo na kailangan makipag-connect dito, sa totoo lang. Ha? Okay? Hindi mo na kailangan makipag-connect sa taong to. Okay. So, let's see. What's your advice? So, anong advice ni Universe? What is Universe advice for you? Outcome / advice. Okay, the Emperor in reverse. Yeah. Huwag mo hayaang mag-back to zero ka, okay? Don't ever let this person na ma-manipulate ka. Don't. Okay? Why is that? Yeah, see the Devil. The Devil. Yeah, the Ten of Wands in reversed. Huwag mong ahayaan na maging pabigat sa'yo to. Okay? Tingin ko sa taong to, talaga pabigat. I'm sorry. Pero, ito yung nagpapabigat sa energy mo, sa totoo lang. See? The Devil? Don't. Ha? Huwag mo hahayaan na mamanipula ka ng taong to. Sa totoo lang. Please. Okay, the Hierophant. Hindi na rin ina-advise na makipagbalikan ka sa taong to. Masyado ng maraming trauma ang nangyari sa'yo. Mahirap yung ginawa mong pag-usad. Pero pinili mo yun na umusad ka from this person. So, sabihin nating mas magiging okay ka actually. Okay? Wag na wag kang magpapakita ng appreciation or whatsoever dahil nandyan pa rin sila trying to fix kung ano man yung mga sitwasyon na kailangan i-fix. Don't! Okay? Don't! Inalis ni Universe ng taong to sa buhay mo para mas maging okay ka, sa totoo lang. Okay? So yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So they want, some of you, kung may pera ka, they want your money. They want the benefits. Kung naman meron ang naibibigay mo for this person, I think. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!